Hey fools, and welcome to another edition of Two Stocks Making the News. I am joined as ever by Mark Rogers. Hey Mark.
Hey Chris.
So, two pretty big tickers we're going to be talking about today. First up is Barclays. So, What's been going on?
Two big pieces of news out at Barclays over the weekend. First off, they completely shocked the market on the morning, the day before their results were due, 10 a.m., come out and released their profits early.
Yeah.
Pretty surprising that they would choose to do that. They're actually confirming a report that was in the FT that just happened to have the right numbers, and so they came out and said, actually that's correct, our profits are going to be this a day early. But overshadowing that piece of news over the weekend, the news that 25,000 customer details or whistleblowers come out and said they were on offer on the black market. That's been handed in to a reporter there.
Ouch.
Another big customer-related scandal out at Barclays over the weekend.
Absolutely, more bad PR for Barclays as if they needed any more.
It's just another big blow to reputation there. That they just can't catch a break at the moment. Barclays, in terms of its reputation, its relationship with its customers. This another one in the financial planning department since 2008. Pretty poor piece of news out for them, right?
And is there any sort of hint on possible ramifications that could be thrown on them with that?
There could be a fine. I think just purely a loss of reputation as a result of this. It's all piling up and compounding for those guys. So
yeah, not good news for shareholders, unfortunately.
Not really.
Okay, so next we have Centrica. Any news from them today?
Yeah, actually, shares have been under pressure on the morning that Ed Davey, the energy secretary, has come out and penned a letter to energy regulators to say we think that the British Gas is has maybe a bit too much power in the gas market, maybe earning a bit too much money for the energy secretary's liking. Pointed out that they have 41% market share in the gas sector in the UK.
Yeah.
They're making triple the profit margins that the electricity companies are making. Pointing out that that they earn way more than the supermarkets would on the items that they sell and that kind of thing, saying it's too much money they're making, and that possibly they should be forced to split up and become more competitive for, I was going to say voters there, but that's kind of the second point.
It could almost go both ways, right?
Exactly. I think this is something where if you're an investor or you're anyone who's taking an interest in what's going on there, it's so plain that there's a very strong political element to what's going on. We've got an election coming up in 2015, and there are a few things as popular as bashing on the rising gas prices at the moment. So,
well, there you go. So some things to mull it over. So I never thought I would have seen it myself. Mark Rogers commenting on investing and politics. So a double whammy today. So thank you very much, Mark, and we'll see you again next time. Thank you.